Join me as I dive into the secrets of the DJI Neo 2 and see if I can uncover features that most users don't even know about. The DJI Neo 2 has taken the drone community by storm with its impressive specs and user-friendly interface. But what really sets it apart? As we've been exploring its capabilities, we've stumbled upon some game-changing features that are not commonly known. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you these hidden gems. One common misconception about the DJI Neo 2 is that it's just another drone with great camera capabilities. While it's true that it does offer high-quality video and photo capture, users often struggle with optimizing these features for their specific needs. Another challenge users face is navigating the drone's interface, which can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. This complexity often leads to missed opportunities in capturing the perfect shot. Furthermore, understanding the limitations of the drone's range and battery life is crucial to avoid any unexpected situations. Diving deeper into the DJI Neo 2's functionalities, one unique feature that stands out is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. This system is incredibly sophisticated and can detect obstacles from a distance, allowing the drone to smoothly navigate around them. A lesser-known tip is that you can customize the sensitivity of this system based on your flying style. Additionally, the drone's intelligent flight modes can significantly enhance your aerial photography experience, offering features like automated paths and focus tracking. Another trick is using the drone's built-in GPS to plan your flight path more efficiently. But here's a surprising secret about the DJI Neo 2. It has a hidden mode that allows for even more precise control over the drone's movements. This mode, known as Advanced Navigation, offers a level of detail in flight planning that is unmatched by many other drones on the market. What makes this feature even more appealing is that it can be activated through a simple firmware update. Once activated, you'll notice a significant improvement in how you interact with the drone, especially in complex environments. This feature alone has the potential to elevate your drone flying experience to new heights. In wrapping up, the DJI Neo 2 is more than just a drone. It's a gateway to capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring new dimensions in photography. Understanding its capabilities, from common misconceptions to advanced features like the hidden advanced navigation mode, can dramatically enhance your experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these insights are designed to help you get the most out of your drone. We'd love to hear about your experiences with the DJI Neo 2. Have you discovered any tips or tricks that you think others should know about? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more drone tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos for the latest insights and updates.